in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up a disk on your VLC Media Player if you want to display the contents in your playlist or media library. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to go and do is select the Media tab at the top left, and then select where it says Open Disk. You can also tap the Control and D key combination on your keyboard as well. Locate what type of disc it is at the top, whether it's a DVD, a Blu-ray, or an audio CD. And then you just would select the Browse button here to locate it on your device. Make sure it is inserted into your DVD drive or optical drive, and then you just would select it from this PC, select it here, and it should be underneath devices and drivers. Select that folder, and then you would select play to then have it load into the media library here. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.